Hi everybody, Cali Rose here. And this is my latest arrangement of the Rodgers and Hammerstein song from The Sound of Music, my favorite things. Previously, I did an arrangement. I really liked it. I put it into a shuffle jazzy groove, which has not gone over so well with you guys. So I've caved and doing it in the more traditional 3/4 time. See how you like it. We are doing it a little fast. I'm at 145 beats per minute. And I'm going to throw in a few fancies that we'll talk about in our classes. And this is a sing and play along video. So afterwards, I'll talk a little bit about some of the strum patterns that I'm using in this song and give you guys some ideas to integrate it into your playing. So our starting note that we sing on is an A. We're in the key of C or A minor. Here we go. A 1, 2, 3. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies with crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. So let's talk about strum patterns. I'm doing a lot of what I call boom, chukka, chukka. So we have 3 beats in a waltz. First beat is the boom. It's some form of down or something similar. And then on beats 2 and 3, I'm doing a down, up, down, up. So let me show you the first option. Making an A minor with our hands, all our hands, just our index finger. I am tapping with my fingernails, my right hand, basically the index in the middle, although sometimes I'll catch my other fingers. I'm tapping the G string, the string closest to our face. And it's a motion where I'm actually running across the wood here and flicking up like this. Because I just want to catch one string, if possible. If you hit some other strings, you won't get arrested. So it's the G, beat 1, and then a down up on beat 2 and beat 3. And now with that down up, what I do is I use my index and my middle to go down. And then I come up with the flesh of my index finger. So it looks like this. Catching that G, down, up. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now here's another option. It's a boom chukka chukka, but instead of using my fingernails to catch the G string, I'm using my thumb. Same idea though. I'm running my thumb across the wood and coming up, kind of like a swishy motion here, catching that G string, and then doing the down, up, down, up. And I mix and match when I'm playing a song. I will throw in different strum patterns because it's fun, at least for me. So there are two options. One of our players in our class shared something she came up with that we really loved. It's a combination of finger picking, and I'm getting in my finger picking position. So specific fingers have their dedicated string that they pluck. So with my thumb on the G string and my ring finger on the A string, I'm going to pluck those two outside strings at the same time. Make my A minor. That will be the boom. That will be the first beat. Boom. And then chukka chukka, down up with the fingernails. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, boom, chukka chukka, boom, chukka chukka. Let's try those three that we've talked about with the drum. So the fingernails to catch the G, and then down up, down up. 1, 2, 3. Tap your foot. All you drummers out there, that would be you. Now let's use our thumb. Thumb, thumb. And the variation of a finger picking. You'll probably want to slow it down on your own too. Can't learn it fast until we get these things under our fingers slowly, right? So here's another option that I like to add when I want to sprinkle the song with more rhythmic intensity. So on each beat, 1, 2, 3, I will do a down, up, down, up, down, up. A minor, it sounds like this. Try it with me. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And if you need to do it, like down, up, down, up, down, up, go for it. This is a waltz, and when we want to add rhythmic intensity, we kind of focus in on the first beat. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to A-B it for you. This is no rhythmic intensity. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. And this is with rhythmic intensity. Are you feeling the difference? It's the key. It's what a drummer would do. Down, up. Accent. 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 Now, one more variation of that particular strum pattern. It comes, I throw it in, and believe me, I throw these things in when the spirit moves me. When I play the song again, I'll put the strum patterns in different places. It's just Because for me, a song is alive, and I want to keep it alive. So I'll do different stuff with it, and it makes it so fun and spontaneous. So the very last stanza 6, which in the end, the line that I'm focusing in on is the middle line, and it goes like this. When I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things. So what I'm focusing in here is on the second part of that line. The lyric is simply remember my favorite things. It's 4 measures, 2 measures of D minor, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 measures of D. D minor, D. And we'll start by just doing that down, up, down, up, down, up on each beat. So the D minor, 2, 3, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, D. D minor, D. All right, now, how can we fancy that up really cool? We're still going to do the down, up, but something's going to change with our left hand. To do that D minor. And then just lift your fingers off the fretboard so you're no longer making a connection with the strings, but you're still close. You're not going like that, right? Just a little bit because we're slamming them down again very quickly. I'll show you. We're going down with the D minor, up with the open strings, down with the D minor, up with the open strings. Let's try it slowly, and it does not sound good slowly, okay? 1, 2, 3, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Oh, this is so exciting. Let's try it with a D. It's a little better. Now, when we put it together and bring the tempo up, it sounds like, simply remember my favorite things. Big diff, huh? Simply remember my favorite things. Now, slowly, it would be like this. 1, 2, 3. Simply remember my favorite things. Some of you are going, you call that slow? I don't know what I call anything these days. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, D minor. 1, 2, remember my favorite things. Let's try it with the drum. A 1, 2, 3. Simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Hold that bad. Hold your breath. It's bad. And then a D minor, G7. And a C. Da-da! You guys, thanks for watching. Check out my website, calirose.com. You know what? Happy strumming. Happy strumming through it all.